Hi all, today I am going to talk on the topic Wilkodontics. Braces usually take years to align the teeth, but what if we could speed up the process? Yes, this is where Wilkodontics comes into the picture. What is Wilkodontics? Wilkodontics is an advanced orthodontic technique introduced by Dr. Thomas Wilko and Dr. William Wilko. It is also called periodontally accelerated osteogenic orthodontics. How does it work? The technique is based on regional acceleratory phenomenon, where controlled injury to the alveolar bone stimulates faster bone remodeling. This allows teeth to move more rapidly during orthodontic treatment. Now, let's talk about the procedure, step by step. First, consultation and planning. The orthodontist and periodontist collaborate to assess the patient's dental and periodontal health. Detailed planning is conducted to determine the specific tooth movements required. Second, surgical phase, that is corticotomy. Under local anesthesia, the periodontist makes small incisions in the gum tissue to assess the bone. The cortical bone is selectively perforated and bone graft material is placed to promote rapid bone regeneration. Third, orthodontic treatment. After a brief healing period, the orthodontist begins active tooth movement using braces or clear aligners. The RAP effect allows teeth to move more quickly and efficiently. Fourth, monitoring and adjustment. Regular visits to the orthodontist are required to monitor progress and make necessary adjustments. The entire process is typically completed in 6 to 9 months. Fifth, retention phase. After the active treatment phase, retainers are used to maintain the new tooth positions and to prevent relapse. Next, we can discuss about the indications and contraindications. It is usually indicated in anterior open bite and deviated midline cases. It can also be used in correcting crossbite and tooth discrepancies. This method is beneficial in accelerating canine retraction after premolar extraction. This approach is also helpful in amplifying post-orthodontic stability and speeding up impacted tooth eruption. This also promotes slow orthodontic expansion. Contraindications. Wilkodontics is not advised for the patients having severe periodontal disease, endodontic problems that have not been treated properly, and patients with severe class 3 malocclusion. This procedure is not suitable in patients who are on long-term medications, example non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and patients on long-term steroid therapy, as it slows the bone metabolism. Patients having any bone metabolic disorders such as osteoporosis or any disease are also contraindicated for this procedure. Conclusion: Wilkodontics is a revolutionary treatment option for patients seeking faster orthodontic results without compromising the quality of the outcome. By combining orthodontics with periodontal surgery, this technique offers the quicker, more efficient path to a beautiful and functional smile, particularly for those with more complex dental issues.